Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so the November theme for the No Make, No Life box has been revealed, and I'm about to show that to you. But before we do, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my BoxyCharm October theme is revealed. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, hi, Mandy. How are you doing today? Well, Pauline, I'm doing just fine. How are you doing today, honey? I really appreciate you having your bell on, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to have a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm going to show you what is the inspiration for the November box. So it is this word, something makeover. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything, so don't come after me. Is that Kawi? I'm not sure how to say that word, y'all, but right there it is, makeover. Now this means trendy or cute things in Japanese, and the November box is going to be inspired by Japanese and Korean games, anime, and famous characters. So this is going to be an interesting box, and if you want to know anything else about it, or else if you want to subscribe to him, No Make, No Life is going to be linked below for you to do so. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. I wanted to come on here and show y'all the theme and tell y'all the inspiration for the November box. Now let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Jennifer Garin. I think that's how you say it. Don't you come after me, Jennifer. Jennifer says, where are you from? You sound like a southern girl like me. Texan? Love your channel. Oh, I wish. I've always wanted to see Texas. Jennifer, I am from South Carolina, and I now live in Ohio, but I'm from South Carolina. That's where the accent come from. But I really appreciate you, and I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And remember guys, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, you got to leave a comment under this here video. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my views, my likes. They're taking it all. They're just trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? Why don't you just comment that down below? I would really love to know. I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. You'll know everything before it even gets to you. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen it. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.